Alright, we're here at Loose Cards and Collectibles, Kingston, Ontario, and today we're cracking
More Be a Player.
Be a Player 0708. Get an autograph in every pack of this stuff.
I believe this is redemption free product too. First auto is
Marcus Naslund.
That could be worse.
No longer with Vancouver.
That's pretty, I guess that is pretty bad now. Next pack. Chris
Phillips.
And it's a base. Base looked pretty nice this year. Paul Correa at 25. And a Pierre-Marc Bouchard. And some more base.
It's the duel.
Oh, Jack Johnson, Chris Russell. I guess that
It's
possibly could be worse.
it possibly could be worse.
Matt Stajan.
Matty Stajan. There you go.
Chara, rated 99. And Derek Wall. Two packs left. Malkin on the back.
Ooh, a triple.
I did get a triple. Number 1 of 25. St. Louis, Rick Nash, and Danny Heatley. That's not bad.
That could definitely be worse.
That could definitely be worse, yeah. And the last pack has a Scott Walker. And that finishes that finishes it up.
Try to get a shot of this card here. Best card in the box. Here at Loose Cards and Collectibles, Kingston, Ontario.